The most trusted name in backpacks, every JanSport comes with a lifetime warranty. Carry your JanSport with confidence, knowing we'll replace or repair any breaks. The iconic design, the big student backpack made for carrying with our ergonomic S-curve shoulder straps, padded back panel, a webhaul handle. Reliable backpack. JanSport backpacks are made with durable fabric, zippers, straps and colors, designs to reflect your style needs. Organization made easy, simple convenient design, 2 spacious compartments, 15 laptop sleeve, front utility pocket with an organizer and a side water bottle pocket. American tradition in backpacks, generations have grown up come to rely on this trusted brand. Over 50 years of schools, work, adventure. Top reviews from the United States. Big enough to carry everything. Second backpack we bought for 6th grade as the first 28L bag was too small. Bag survived the year with only minor wear on the mesh of the water bottle pocket. Currently using for summer camp, and expectation is that will last the next school year. Ag is big enough to hold lunchbox, gym clothes, Chromebook, folders and workbooks.